What's up guys, Steve Harvey here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be earning a little bit of extra money and even up to $90 per test with this method, okay? And you can do this from home or anywhere else in the world because it's 100% online. All you need is a laptop or a mobile phone, and the awesome thing with the method is there's no skills required, there's no limitations per country, you can do it from anywhere in the world. And like I said before, you could be earning $5, $10, $20 and even up to $90 per test through this method, okay? But before we get started, I would like to ask you guys to hit that subscribe button below. Greatly appreciate it, as well as the little bell next to it as a little bonus, because in that way you can be notified for my next videos. And at the end of the video, if you enjoyed it, hit the like button as well as commenting below if you have any questions, or even if you just want to say hi, I'll gladly say hi back. But that's all for now. You guys have been patient. You guys have been waiting, so we're going to get started with the first step. So the platform we're going to be using today is called Userlytics, okay? So I'll leave the link to the website in that description below for you guys to access. But what Userlytics is a platform that pretty much puts together developers or creators with testers, okay? So it means that if any creator or developer has made a software, a website, or maybe even an advert, and then they can actually access and say, hey Userlytics, we need some testers, have you got some for us? And if you're a tester, you sign up and then it has a whole bunch of testers that Userlytics can say, yep, we have some, how many do you want? And they'll put out an invite to all these testers so that they can test the product and you will get paid as a tester. So when you're on the website, it's real simple. You can just click on how it works. If you want any more information, you can scroll down. Firstly, it's going to show you how it works in the perspective of a client. So if you're a developer that wants something tested, but also at the very bottom, it actually shows you the types of things that you can be testing. So you got web design, you got online campaigns, TV commercials, SEO, a whole range of things. And the other thing is, as I was saying before, you don't have to have any skill set, you don't have to have any knowledge in these niches, because all you're doing is you're just testing it, okay? So once it comes to you, you can go through and it's all about that user interface and that user experience. So if you still don't quite get it, I'm gonna head over to real examples, and you can do that too with the link below. And you can see here, it actually shows you what you're gonna be doing. And the perspective either of a tester or maybe a developer that wants testing, it actually shows you what the test actually looks like. So it has the perspective on mobile phones, it has the perspective on desktops. You can actually just click into it and then it's gonna load this video. And all it is basically this guy using the software which they provide for you. They go onto this either mobile app, website, anything like that. And it has a little video of you and it has your little microphone and your headset. And all you do is you just give your honest opinion, okay? So you can even go and watch the videos yourself just to see how it works, but there's nothing special about it. You don't have to put any acting, you don't have to be enthusiastic, excited, anything like that. You just have to sit there as a user and just give your honest opinion. As simple as that. Now, why would I recommend Userlytics to you guys, okay? So I don't get any commission out of this or anything like that. It's just a platform that I've used and I have a few friends that use it as well. And the reason why is because it is actually quite a popular platform that a lot of people go. Because if you choose a platform that like developers and creators don't go to, then you're not going to get many tests and you're not going to make any money. But if you go to quite a popular platform with a lot of developers and creators, then you're going to get more tests coming through. But you can see here, it's really easy. So we're going to head over to the sign up page. I'll show you right here. These are the steps that you need. So you need to register just by completing a short and easy form, okay? And then once you've done that, you can interact through a web or mobile app. So the thing with Userlytics is they give you the software or the app for that. So we can scroll down here, we can see what kind of software and hardware do I need. So this tells you exactly what you need. You either need a desktop computer or a mobile phone. So if we run through the desktop needs, you can see you either need a Mac running 10.13 or higher, or even a PC with Windows 7 or higher, okay? Then we can go down standard browser, so you've either got Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, anything like that. And you also need a webcam, okay? So webcam, you can either have it on your phone, that's easy, or if you have a webcam on your desktop as well. You can see microphone, for some people think they might need a hard out microphone. You don't need a hard out microphone. If you've got an iPhone or anything like that, you can just use the Apple headset Simple as that, it's got a microphone built in. And then the last one is the Userlytics recorder installed on your desktop, and they've even got a little button at the bottom there, download recorder, so you can get the software. Now flipping over to the mobile test, you can see mobile phones using either Android if you're using 5.0 or higher, and with iPhone you have to be using iOS 10 or higher. Then on your iPhone or Android you either have Chrome or Safari that you can be using, and then you can have your microphone, which is generally built in the phone, or if you have a headset, just plug your iPhone or your Android headset in and you can use the inbuilt microphone on that one. And then for some of the tests, here it says you need a front cam. That is easy if you've got your mobile phone with the front cam, then you're all set. And then lastly, same again with the software, we're going to be using the Userlytics app. And right there it gives you the two different links, either from Google Play for your Android or your Apple App Store as well for any of your Apple users. And then to the third step, it shows you how we're going to get paid, and we're going to get paid by PayPal, which is awesome, okay? That's probably the best thing about using Userlytics is the fact that they pay you out with PayPal, and it shows you right here you can be paid 5, 10, 15, 20, or in some projects and cases you can be paid up to $90 for having fun, expressing your own opinion, everything like that, okay? And so we're going to go down, let's say we're going to sign up. I'll block all those up because there's so many different emails that I have for different things. But if we click on my main email, you click on I confirm and agree, and then we just click on sign up. It's going to say sending, and then at the very bottom there it says your account's been successfully created. Please check your email for login details, okay? And so from there, we just head over to your email address. You'll find that email, click on that. We'll probably have a link in it, and it'll also have your login details, and then you log in and then you get started by reviewing different products. So just to recap for you guys, we're going to start with step 1, and that is to use Userlytics. You can find that link down below. You can even do your research before you get started, and then once you've done that, you're going to click on sign up, complete the forms, head down, sign up with your email, and then once you sign up with your email, it's going to give you your login details, so it's 100% free. And then once you've got all your login details and you're logged in, you're going to start testing and you're going to start earning some money, okay? But that's all for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. And like I said at the start of the video, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button as well as that little bell next to it for more videos. And also hit that like button as well as commenting below. So if you have any questions about this method or any other methods, or even the fact that you just want to say hi, I'll gladly say hi back, okay? But either side of me, you can see a couple of buttons. Either one is to subscribe, the other one is for another video if you want to learn more ways to make money online. But like I said, that's all for this one. We'll see you guys in the next one.